Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Parvathi here from Paru's Craftology. Today we'll be going through a very simple yet beautiful mixed media layout featuring the latest texture paste that has been released by Craftangles, the unicorn texture paste and the golden dragon one. To start off, I'm using an MDF base and I'm using chalk pens from Craftangles. The shades that I'm using here are Snowy White, French Rose and Yellow Daffodil. I'm blending in these three colors to get a very light shade on the base, and I'm creating an ombre effect using these three. I wanted a bit of lilac shade also to be there. So to make lilac, I mixed some Snow White chalk paint with a tinge of deep violet liquid acrylic, and mixing all these colors together, blending them very well using a sponge topper. And on top of these ombre, just to blend them all equally well, I'm adding a very light coat of Snow White chalk paint again. Now onto some stenciling. The stencil I'm using here is Vintage Flower, again a new release from Craftangles. And through the stencils now I'm adding the unicorn texture paste, and next I'll be adding some golden dragon texture paste. Again, I am randomly choosing the parts of stencil that I think goes best according to my choice. You can do it in your own way. This is what I thought was best for my layout. So yes, while it was still drying, I waited and added some script stamping, and look at this, how beautiful is that after drying, right? So honestly, the camera doesn't capture it as pretty as it is in real. I am a big fan of this unicorn texture paste especially. I'm using the Vintage Rosette paperback, the 6x6 one, and I took one page of it and cut off the single elements from that and created kind of a pattern for my background, added on a beautiful photograph as my focal element, and added some flowers from Prima Marketing. And to make it a bit more jazzy, I added some foil magic onto a piece of mold, and on top of that, once the foil magic was dry, I added the blush pink gilding flakes and brushed off the excess. And I was quite happy with how things were looking at this point of time, so I added the sentiment "Collect Beautiful Moments." Once this was done, I thought something was missing, and I added a small tinge of paper again below the sentiment, and to the golden dragon bits I added some of those blush pink gilding flakes just to make it all uniform, and added 2 butterflies too. And that is the completed look of the project. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this and you learned one or two new ways of doing your projects. Do let us know what you think of it. Till we meet again, with this Parvathi signing off. Bye.